guys. So, I just want to say something. I think I just saw a ghost today. It wasn't me. Here's why I think I saw a ghost. It's a ghost of a cat, I think. Because, well, I was walking down the street, right here. And, well, I saw this cat walking down here. I'm still looking for it. And he went right behind here. Well, that guy came right behind here. Right there. So I come over here, right here. I was right there. I came down here, looked over here, because the cat, I didn't see the cat coming out. Looked behind it, didn't go upstairs, and he disappeared. He was nowhere to be found. Literally, he disappeared right behind there, and I can't even see the cat anymore. Literally. See, he could have hide behind these bushes. Look at that. I just think it's kind of crazy. This ghost